At ang unang sumalang sa tanungan,
Rain.
Grabe.
Colette, it's your turn. Ikaw ang unang magtatanong kay Rain.
Bakit nung marami pa tayo, bakit hindi ka nag-try na makipagkilala sa iba, malaman ang mga storya nila, bakit sa isang tao lang?
For me, I did everything naman to kilala everyone. Like, before I sleep at night, I tell myself na, oh, di ko pa masyadong nakausap this person. I should do that the next day. Pero talagang, I was close with Guy. I'm close with Guy. And despite that, I know to myself na kinakausap ko everyone. And kahit na siya yung closest ko, I know naman yung stories ng iba kasi I tried to mingle with everyone. And hindi naman ako nag-focus on Kai lang. Like, I didn't go here to just be close with one person.
Why do you think you were drawn to be closer to one housemate and not more? Are you a shy person?
I guess naging close talaga kami ni Kai kasi I found very many similarities sa kanya and parang naging comfortable ako kaagad na I can tell everything talaga sa kanya, which I can't do sa iba. Not everyone can understand me the way she does.
Between both of us, setting aside our friendship, sino sa tingin mo mas deserving para maging big winner at bakit?
If Rain from a few weeks ago would answer, I'd say you. Kasi I really, I believe in you, bro, since second week. But as the Rain now, I've learned so much in this house na. Parang I believe less in myself. And I realize ngayon na that question I should answer myself. Big winner material si Rain kasi I came here for my dreams, for my family, and for myself. And I believe wala naman akong nagawa to not deserve it.
Last question for this round. Yeah.
Rain, who's your least favorite housemates?
Oh my gosh.
Walang explanation. Who's your least favorite housemate?
Kuya Gwen.
Okay.